SQL interview question and answer. Question number 43. How does cross join work in SQL? Where do you use it? We have a number of different types of join we use in SQL. One of them is cross join. This question is asking about how does cross join work in SQL and where do you use it? Give an example where we can use it. In SQL cross join, it combines every row from one table with each row from another table. Number of rows in the final table is the product of rows of the combined tables, which is called as Cartesian product. Suppose we have two tables, and one table it contains two rows, and next one table contains three rows. Then when we use cross join, at that time 2 times 3, it will contain 6 rows in the final table. That is called Cartesian product. One of simple scenario where we can use cross join is given here. We can use 3 tables, professors, classrooms and time slots. And we are going to create a report that displays all possible combination of class schedule. To explain this question, first of all, let me check data from professors. We can use select star from professors. We get the result as shown below, which contains 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns are professor ID, professor name and department. Next table is classroom. Select star from classrooms. We get the result as shown below, which contains again 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns are room ID, room name and capacity. And the final table is time slot. Let me check data from time slot. Select star from time slots. We get the result as shown below. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns are slot ID, day of week and start time. Now we have 3 tables and we have number of rows present in each table. By using cross join, we can use different possible combination of class schedule. Let me use code. We use here 3 alias name. One is PR alias name for professor, CR alias name for classrooms, and TS alias name for time slots. Let me select columns. Select PR.professor name, PR.department, CR.class name, CR.capacity, TS.day of week, TS.start time, and we use here case statement so that we can identify the suitable classroom, whether it is suitable for a large class or it is suitable for a small class. We use condition when CR.capacity greater or equal to 50, then it is suitable for a large class, else it is suitable for a small class. And its column name is name as room underscore suitability. From professor PR, cross join classroom CR, cross join time slot TS. When we run this code, after successful completion, we get the result as shown below, where it has total 8 records or 8 rows and 7 columns, where 7 columns are professor name, department, room name, capacity, day of week, start time, and class suitability. From this result, we obtain here possible combination of all class schedule. Here is an important note. Important notes are cross join performs the cross product. So final rows equals to T1 times R times T2 times R. That means it contains here final table contains table 1 row times table 2 rows. Number 2, it provides all possible combinations from the given tables. Number 3, for large data set, it creates the huge data set that could impact performance of our system. Number 4, it is advised not to use cross join for related data. That means if we have a relational database or related data, then we do not use cross join. Let me use those code in our Oracle developer window and observe the result. Let me use those code which I explained before in our Oracle developer window. First of all, let me check data from professors. Select star from professors. Let me run this code and observe the result. It has 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns are professor ID, professor name and department. Next, let me use classrooms. Select star from classrooms. Let me check data. It has again 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns are room ID, room name and capacity. Next, let me check data from time slots. Select star from time slots. Let me check data. It has again 2 rows and 3 columns. 3 columns are slot ID, day of week and start time. Next step, I am going to use cross join. While using the cross join, I have used here 3 alias name. PR for professors, CR for classrooms and TS for time slot. First of all, let me select columns. Select pr.professor name, pr.department, cr.class name or room name, cr.capacity, ts.day of week, ts.start time, and next one we use here case statement that indicates here what type of the room is suitable for. That means when cr.capacity greater or equal to 50, then that room is suitable for large class, else suitable for a small class, and as class suitability, that is the column name. From professor PR, cross join classroom CR, cross join time slots TS. After successful run from this code, let me run this code, we will get possible combinations. Now we have result. Result contains 8 rows and 7 columns. 7 columns are professor name, department, room name, capacity, day of week, start time, room suitability. We have total 8 records or 8 rows. That is the possible combination of all 3 tables. That means each table it has 2 rows, 2 times 2 times 2, that is the total combination is 8. That's why we have here 8 records. In this way we can use cross join in SQL. That's all about question number 43. Thank you.